Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel and yet another video. So firstly, I hope all of you are doing good, are fine, are staying indoors and doing all the necessary precautions. I know it's not the best time for most of us, but I just keep my fingers crossed and I hope everything that is not going so well will get better sooner or later. And just a little distraction is to do things that you love to do, or just get some positive reading books, or just do whatever that makes you happy. I think that's the best thing we can do at this stage. And yeah, so let's get into the video. So today's video is about summer secrets, or a summer routine, or summer essentials, whatever you like to call it. So of course, a lot of us follow a particular hygiene procedure or a way to keep themselves clean and hygienic, and especially in summers, or especially in Bombay where it's so humid. I mean, you just sit up in your bedroom under a fan and you still sweat so much. So of course, when you sweat, you need to double up your hygiene game. And here are some of my secrets that I have been following, or I follow especially during summers, which I'm going to share with you. So in no particular order, just for my hair, body, face, and just a overall hygiene process, and also my daytime and nighttime routine that I would prefer doing in summers is what I'm going to share up here. So if you're interested, do keep watching, and now let's get started. So in no particular order, I am just going to start with my shower procedure or my shower routine. So I like to only use shower gel. I mean, don't ask me why, but that is what I have been using forever now. And I like to have different flavors, or different types of shower gels. And in summers preferably, I like something that is very watery, or something that's very refreshing according to the season. So for now, I'm using the Nivea Firangi Pani and oil. This smells very fresh and it smells beautiful. I mean, this is actually my all-time favorite, but yeah, for the summers I think this is the best. And this is nothing like my favorites, or this is nothing of a sponsored thing. It's just what I have at the moment that I use in my shower, and just that I'm sharing with you. So this is something that smells very summerish and very fresh, and this is what I use for my shower. I also highly recommend to use a sensitive wash for your private parts, because not only during summers but literally throughout the year. I mean, even if you're home, you're traveling, just use this. I think it's always better to be safe and hygienic and everything than to have any sort of infection or problems later. This is Clean and Dry, which I have started using very recently, but I mean, it's actually nice. You could use this, or V-wash, or whatever options that you think suits your body and that you want to use. But I would highly recommend this in sensitive wash. It's intimate wash, and I think this is a must. Ladies out there, please start using this. You may not be used to it in the initial days, but later you will thank me for this. So of course, I use my body wash, my intimate wash, and then my face wash, which I think I've showed on most of my videos where I do my skin routine and stuff. So this is also, it's a gel based face wash, and it's very mild. So this is definitely for summers, but for me it's throughout the year. And then I just use my normal shampoo and conditioner, because I had got my hair treatment done like years back. I still continue with the Moroccan oil hair wash, shampoo and conditioner. It's just that it suits my hair much better, and I like and I love how it smells. So anything that smells good is for me, and that's how I still continue using that. But again, before I wash my hair, I normally try to oil my hair, and I am been using this onion oil by the Himalayan Organics. It doesn't have to be the same brand, but onion oil is actually very good for your hair growth, for your hair thickness, for your hair fall. And that's how I started using this, I think last year around. And I mean, I'm still not finished with this bottle. You need very little of it, but it really works on your hair. At least it works for me. And I mean, if you are somebody who loves to oil their hair, this is definitely what you need. But of course, again, because we are talking of summers, and you know, hair oil and summer, they don't go well together. You tend to even feel more hot. So what I normally do is, I like once a while, when I feel like putting it up on my hair, you know, previous night, and then I wash it the next morning. Or normally I oil my hair in the morning and then keep it for like good 1-2 hours, and then I wash it. So you know, that way your hair is also getting the required nutritions, and also, you know, you're staying up with the weather. So this is what I use. And then I wash my hair with the shampoo, conditioner, and then I normally use a hair serum, which is from Matrix. And I have been using this for a lot of years now. I mean, you can completely trust on this. This is avocado flavor to it, but I think this is the new one. But otherwise, this is amazing. Sometimes I also use the argan oil of Morocco. This is also like a hair serum. It's a little thick in texture, but it's not oily. It's as good as your serum. So this is what I use sometimes. Otherwise, normally I always use the Matrix on your wet hair, just to, you know, get it more relaxed. Because if you know, I don't style my hair, I don't blow dry them, I don't comb them. So if you have been following me from my other videos, you would know my hair routine more or less. And yeah, and of course, keep sipping on water as much as you can. I normally tend to have less water, and that's how I always have a sipper next to my bed. And I literally am just sipping water and using the restroom. That's what I do literally the whole day. But I don't mind, as long as you stay hydrated, which is more important. So the next thing that I do normally is, now if you follow me, you know, I sometimes scrub my face with a regular mild scrub. Now this is the rice scrub, which is very mild. So sometimes what I do is, instead of my face wash, I just use it as a face wash. So I just, you know, scrub it around and wash it. Because normally I am not been using anything of these beauty products on my face off lately. I am just trying to be lazy as much as I can. And I don't even remember the last time I did a good face pampering, but well, it's fine. So sometimes I just use it quickly as my face wash, you know, scrub it a little, keep it for a few seconds, and then wash it out. Also, sometimes I just use this Upton mask, which I think is very famous now, because I use this and I talk about this a lot. So I just apply this before shower and just wash it quickly. Again, there is another milk salt scrub that I have. So I have a couple of scrubs, and I just, you know, whichever I feel like or I find is what I just use quickly before shower, you know, just to scrub on and feel clean and get the dust and whatever that the summer keeps on your skin. So that is a quick routine that I follow just during shower or before shower. And oh my god, I cannot talk enough of this sunscreen. I am not a sunscreen person. People who know me, people who have traveled with me, they know I hate a sunscreen. I mean, I use it, of course, you know, when the weather is really hot, or when you are at a beach destination, but I'm not a big fan of it. So I just use it because I have to. But I mean, I look at the sun and I get tan. It's that easy for me. But well, that's fine. But after years is what I've got a perfect sunscreen. I read a lot of reviews, a lot of products, and then I bought this. But I am so happy with this. It's the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock. It is a SPF 50+. This literally gives you like a sheer finish, you know, like a beautiful shine that you would want to use. And it is also with the moisturizer, so you don't really need it. But of course, if you know your skin type is very dry, you can use this and a moisturizer. But for me, normally this works. But I have used this literally on my latest Himachal trip, where the temperature was always in minus, and you do get tanned also in cold weathers and not just in summers. I mean, if you don't know about this. So this is what literally saved my skin, because after my Kashmir trip and being in the snow all the while, my skin was damaged to another level. And this literally is a savior, and I'm so used to it now. I also apply this daily when I'm home, and I can see so much of a difference on my skin already. It kind of also clears your skin, I feel, at least for me, but it gives you a beautiful sheer shine. And if you use this and then you use makeup, it's like perfect summer look that you get. So this is definitely, I cannot talk enough about it, but yeah, this is a must. Not this, but any other sunscreen that you use or anything that suits your skin is a must this summer. Also, of course, because it's summer and you stink, I mean, not stink, but you want to smell fresh and nice. And that's how I use the Coconut Passion body mist. It smells so beautiful. Firstly, I love these coconut fragrances, like in a mist or in a deo or something, because it gives you so much of a beachy vibes, and I love those fragrances. So this is definitely what I use after shower, at home, and just when I feel like I need a little refreshing smell. So this is definitely what I use. And also the same range, I have a body moisturizer. I won't lie, I don't use it every day because the weather and the humidity gets so sticky, but I try and use it at least before I go to sleep. Because a very quick tip, as much as your skin dries up in the winter or cold weather, it dries up the same way in summers too. I know a lot of people think that we sweat so much and the weather is so hot that your skin can't dry, but that's not true. It also dries up during summers. So a little moisturizer, and if not daily, at least like once in 2 days, or at least before you go to sleep, in your air conditioning, or under the fan, whatever it is, but you must moisturize your body. And this is what I use. It's also Coconut Passion, and it also smells amazing. So this is what I use. Again, when it comes to hygiene, I already said it's always good to double up your hygiene in the summers, and try and shower at least twice a day, at least, or every time that you go out of your house and you come back, try and shower and wear clean clothes. And yeah, it's just it is something that you must follow, of course, because of the summers, and also because of the situation that's going around us with the COVID and everything that's infectious. So this is definitely something you must do, at least shower twice a day. And yeah, this is mostly what I do. Now I think I will just tell you a quick summer makeup hack. Is whenever you have makeup on and you want to feel refreshing, I think a mist, I so love a good face mist. This is by Clinique. It's the Moisture Surge of face spray, but I have literally used all of it, from Forest Essentials to Body Shop to Bath and Body and Clinique, and also the Glow Getter, because I just love it. Also gives you a beautiful shine, and yeah, it just makes you refreshed like in seconds. So that is what a beautiful I love it. And also I'll give you a very quick makeup tip or a hack, is because that is what I do. So normally when I have to do my summer makeup, or just a summer quick fix, is what I use a sunscreen. Like I already said, this has a beautiful sheer, so I use this. Then I use a moisturizer sometimes, but usually I don't, because you know the weather doesn't really need an moisturizer. And then what I use is I use a uh, lip balm. So this is like a strawberry flavor, so I just, you know, tap it on my cheeks and I use the same on my lips. I just put on some mascara, some eyebrow pencil, and that's it. And it's like such a ready to go makeup, or such a summer look, that you will thank me if you try this yourself. And if you do, leave down in the comments telling me that you did, because that is what I will normally do. And I think it's such a quick fix. It's also it also makes you look very fresh and dewy and nice and very summerish. So that is what I normally do. Also, my summer night routine, or my usual night routine, is not much. Like, I don't have a night routine, but of course when I feel super dry, I just kind of do a little self pampering. I put on a lot of moisturizer, you know, just apply it like a mask thing and sleep on it. But usually, if you know me, you know that I love oil. So anything from body oil to face oil is what I love, and I'm a big sucker. Like, anything that suits my face and body, I don't care, but I will repeat the same thing because I know it suits me. And if I see good results, I don't go to look for options. I just continue and I stick to it. So I tried this Nykaa Skin Potion. It's a 24 karat gold facial oil. My bottle's almost empty. I tried another one of their oil before this and I loved it. Like, you literally just need like 1, 2 and 3 drops here in the night, and you just massage it. It absorbs into your skin so beautifully. I mean, you just get a sheer shine on your face. It's not that you feel oily like how you normally feel with any oil, but it gives a very sheer shine, and you know, you just massage it upwards like you normally would. And I use this coconut lip balm, which is also kind of half over, but yeah, this is also very nice for the skin because I can feel my lips soft and plump, you know, the next morning when I wake up. And this is literally the only night routine that I follow. I mean, sometimes I oil my hair, but otherwise this is the basic and the only thing that I follow. Also, this was my summer secrets, and literally just a reminder for most of you to, you know, take your hygiene seriously, especially when you know you sweat so much, or especially when you know that you could get infected to anything around. So this was a very quick and easy video that I shot. And also I got dressed up a little because it's been ages, like it's been forever that I have got dressed and gone somewhere. But well, I'm still dressed and I'm sitting home, but at least I feel better, because I think a little makeup and you just, you know, uplift your mood so much. So definitely that is what I feel now. But I hope this video was a little helpful in just knowing that you know, whatever routine that you follow, you just follow properly. It's not that you use 10 products one day and the next day you don't use anything, because then you won't see the results, or you know, you won't get the skin or the hair that you want. So anything that you do, it is best that you have minimum routine products, but at least you follow it, you know. So as much as you follow it and stay consistent, I think you will see the results overall. And with enough being said now, guys, I hope you all are doing fine, and I'm gonna end this video up here. So until next time, take care and love you.